Everyone, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of several errors on the application of WhatsApp. We click on settings here. In this page we go to apps, default apps, app settings. On above, as you see, we'll search about the application of WhatsApp. Here in this page of app info, you will click on first stop and you will click OK. Here in this page of app info, you will click on storage, as you see, and you will click. Here we click on clear cache. Then we go to Play Store. You will search about WhatsApp. If you find here update, then you can click to update your app. So that's all. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time.